So we will continue with the question answers of world during modern age. We have already done the short answer type questions. Now we'll do the long answer type questions. Okay, question number 1. What were what were the effects of Renaissance? RENAISSANCE. RENAISSANCE. What were the effects of Renaissance on the people of Europe? On the people of Europe? Question mark. What were the effects of Renaissance on the people of Europe? Okay. The answer you will get on page 6 and page 7. Turn your books to page 6. Alright, page 6, the last paragraph here, from the second sentence, first line, second sentence. It inspired, got that?
Yes, ma'am.
So in place of it, you write Renaissance.
Yes, ma'am.
In place of it, you write Renaissance. So your answer will be like, Renaissance inspired people to think for themselves. Mark till the end of this paragraph. Discovery of new lands. Then come to the next page. Mark from the first line. This movement also made the people conscious of the rights of every individual. Mark till individual. Now come to the next paragraph. Mark the first two lines. This period also saw a steady growth of trade and commerce, which in turn helped the emergence of new towns and cities. Mark till new towns and cities. Then come to the third last line of this particular paragraph. Second paragraph only. Third last line. New states free from feudal control. Got that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mark from there, new states free from feudal control
Yes,
were
ma'am.
formed, new schools and colleges were opened, which cultivated an atmosphere of learning and education. Mark till education. Okay? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So, that was the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy the
Ma'am,
second
please
question.
repeat.
Explain nation states. Second question. Explain nation states. Full stop. What was the result of nationalism? What was the result of nationalism? I'll repeat the question. Explain nation states. Full stop. What was the effect of nationalism? Question mark. For this, you come to page 11. Page 11, under the heading Growth of Nationalism. Page 11, under the heading Growth of Nationalism. The second paragraph, fourth line. Second paragraph, fourth line. People sharing the same economic. Got that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
From there to the end of that paragraph, independence in other parts of the world. Okay, Mark?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Please repeat.
repeat what?
Ma'am, answer number 2.
Page 11, under the heading Growth of Nationalism, second paragraph, from the fourth line, people sharing the same economic and cultural background. Till the end of this paragraph, other parts of the world. Okay, next one. How did, next question, write down. How did industrial revolution, how did industrial revolution led to, not led to, lead to, LEAD. How did industrial revolution lead to imperialism? Lead to imperialism. How did industrial revolution lead to imperialism? Question mark. Okay. For this, come to page 8 and 9. Open page 8. Page 8, the last paragraph here. Under the heading imperialism and colonialism, we'll start from the first line here. The rise of the industrial revolution. Okay, start from there. In Western Europe led to a demand for raw materials and markets for finished products. This led to a race for colonies. Cut, why was this so? Cut that, those 4 words. Why was this so? Cut only that, then continue. On the next page, mark till the end of the first paragraph, till colonialism and imperialism. Then come to the last paragraph of imperialism and colonialism, from the pursuit for colonies. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So mark from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Pursuit of for colonies, and mark till the second line. Began to be conquered by the imperialist countries. Mark till there. Then come to the third last line of the same paragraph. Third last line, second last word. Third last line, second last word. The end result was that. Got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the end result
Yes,
was
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat.
Till,
Ma'am, please repeat.
till the end of the paragraph, that is few industrialized countries. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Alright, I'll repeat page number 8. First paragraph here, under imperialism
Okay, ma'am.
and colonialism. From the first line, the rise of the industrial revolution, till the end of the paragraph on page 9, colonialism and imperialism. Then leave 4 lines, come down. The new paragraph here, the pursuit for colonies. From here, the pursuit for colonies till the second line, began to be conquered by the imperialist countries. Mark till there. Then again come down to the third last line, second last word. The end result was that. From there till the last line, that is control of a few industrialized countries. Yes, someone wanted me to repeat answer number 1 also. So have a look
Yes,
at
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Then
Yes.
can you repeat?
Yes, I'll repeat. Page number 6. This is Renaissance answer. Effect of Renaissance. So page number 6, under the heading Renaissance and its effect on the people of Europe. Second paragraph, first line but second sentence. Starting from the second sentence. It inspired people. In place of it, you write Renaissance. So Renaissance inspired people to think for. Mark till the end of this paragraph, that is discovery of new lands. Come to the next page. Mark from the first line. This movement also made the people conscious of the rights of every individual. Mark till individual. Come to the next paragraph. This period also saw a steady growth of trade and commerce, which in turn helped the emergence of new towns and cities. Mark till cities. And now come to the third last line of the same paragraph. Same paragraph, third last line. New states, free from feudal control. Till the end of this paragraph, learning and education. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second.
Beta, second I have already told 2 times. Now go through the recording when I send you. Then go through it and you
Okay.
can mark from there. I have already told all the answers twice. Okay? Second is very easy. You can listen to the
Ma'am,
recording. Yes, beta?
ma'am, ma'am, third one from the pursuit.
Huh?
Ma'am, please repeat long one third answer. The pursuit of four colonies.
I am not able to hear what you are saying. Be loud.
Ma'am, please repeat long answer third one from the pursuit colonies. Ma'am, he's asking from
Yes,
page
yes, yes.
9.
From the pursuit of
Ma'am, the pursuit.
the pursuit for colonies till the second line conquered by the imperialist countries. And then from the third last line, the end result was that. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So that completes our first chapter in history, world during modern age.